Well, here we are. I haven't really filmed much of this because, well, any of it up to now, because I just wanted to get on with it. Obviously all I've done here is cut this shape out, ready to fold in half. I've glued a welt in there, which is that. So this welt is glued in, and that's just so that the knife doesn't cut the stitching when it's finally stitched up. I've got my logo in there, and I've got 2 drain holes, so this is quite important if you're using the knife anywhere near water and you get a bit of water in there, it can actually drain out. And I've treated it with some antique stain, like a gel, antique stain gel coating. What I'm actually, so the stage I've got to now is this is going to be stitched down to here, but of course I've got to glue it up first, so that's what I'm about to do. So here we are. It's what is it? It's Christmas weekend, so it's the 29th today. So yesterday and today I worked on this, got this done, came out really well. So it's a sheath for this knife that I made a very good friend of mine. So this is going to be off to England very soon. What can I tell you about it? I didn't do a video hardly at all. I just got a lot of stills though, so I'm going to actually stitch those stills together and put them up on probably on Instagram and YouTube, just for finishing off the project. But this came out very well, I think. As you can see, it's leather with an antique finish, and it's got my logo on there, and of course it's designed to fit this knife here. So it fits nice and snug. So all in all, it's turned out really well. So I made it for Barney because he's helped me over the years with things, and a couple of years ago I went over there and stayed for quite some time, and he paid for just about everything. Wouldn't let me pay for anything, the bugger. So this is just a way of paying him back. So this will be on the way to England very soon, as I say. So the specs on this are, so this knife is made of 1084 steel. My mate's left-handed like I am, and that's why the logo is on this side. So it has to be on the side that you're using it from, so you can see the logo. So it's a drop point with a swedge cut either side, with scalloped hand grip, so that you can really get a good grip on that. So you can choke up on it a bit further there, or you can sit, or it can sit back like this and use it like this, more of a slashing weapon. So if you're gutting fish or anything, or even an animal, if you go hunting, you can do the job with it. Handle have been put on with mosaic pins, as you can see, and the handle material is Australian maple. It's stabilised Australian maple. So stabilised meaning it's been impregnated with resins, but you still maintain the look of timber, and it's absolutely extraordinary. You can see well, as it glows in the light, it's got this almost translucent effect on the edge of it. It's been hand sanded all the way, so that's why it's got these soft transitions between the bevel and the flats. So that's it really. There you go, Barney. This is on the way to you. Beautiful.